Now there's two ways that we can add a meta object to a meta field, or there's two ways that we can use meta objects, and it's either one entry or a list of entries. Now one entry is just a one-to-one addition where you just choose one meta object for that meta field or the product or collection or whatever. And the second way is a list of entries. And the list of entries actually gives you like a lot of flexibility, because now you can add different numbers of things. Say you had like FAQs on a page or a product, but on one product you have 3 FAQs, on another product you have 5. Now you can do that with the list of entries for the meta objects. So here I have like link menu items, and this is a meta field that is for a collection to have. And then if we go back to the meta objects, and if we look here, I've set up the meta object for the link menu to have an image or an icon, the title, the link, open in a new menu, and then the image border color and the text color. If we go to a different one, makeup, you can see that these values are all different. Now if we go to the collection, we can go down here and we have, this is the meta field for the link menu items, which is a list of meta objects. So when we click on it, it'll say select entries. And now you can select 1, 2, or 3 entries for the object, and they can be reordered if you like here. And then when we save that, we can go to the theme editor, and now I've created the link menu icons here, but you can see that they're just static addition. So if we choose the first one, and up here in the corner, connect a dynamic source. So this is sort of for the whole object. So when we click here and I click link menu items, you can see that these items have now, the 3 meta objects that I created and added to the collection through the meta field are here. And since we don't want these static ones anymore, we can just remove them. And then style like how we like. And now we have these options. And so for each collection, we can set a different number of options or the same number of options. We can reuse some of these options and then add different ones. It just creates so much flexibility that we've never had before in Shopify.